Hello everyone. Welcome back to the lecture series of ICC 9th Maths. The name of the chapter is Expansion. In the last video, I told you the formulae which are involved in this chapter and we did few sums. In today's video, we will do more practice. We will be doing the sums from R.S. Agarwal and my name is Arpita Banerjee. You are watching Arpita Classes. Let's get started. In the previous video, I did the sums till question number 2. Today we are going to start from question number 3. This is R.S. Agarwal exercise 3A. Question number 3. So this is 2 by 5x plus 5 by 6y whole square. You can see this is in the form of a plus b whole square. And the formula for a plus b whole square, if you remember, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Since we are practicing today, you can pause the video, do the sum on your own and then get it checked from here. Okay? So let us start. This is our a. 2 by, if you do not understand properly or if you have confusion, you can write down a is equal to 2 by 5x here and b is equal to 5 by 6y. Right? Now you will be writing a square. So a square is your 2 by 5x the whole square plus 2 into a is 2 by 5x into b 5 by 6y plus b square. So your b is 5 by 6y. So write 5 by 6y the whole square. This is little congested over here. I'll just rub this out. Okay. So now 2 by 5 square. 2 square is 4. 5 square is 25 and x square is x square. Plus here you can see 5 and 5 gets cancelled. 2 and 6, this will be 3 here. So we are getting 2. In the numerator, we have xy divided by 3 plus 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36, y square is y square. So this is the expanded form of the given sum. Let us come here. You can see a is equal to, in this case, a is equal to x by 3 and b is equal to 6 by x. So we are going to write a square, that is x by 3 the whole square, plus 2ab, so 2 into a, that's x by 3, into b, that's x 6 by x, plus b square, that's 6 by x the whole square. Okay, so now I'll just rub this. Yes, now x by 3 whole square, x square by 9 plus, here x and x will get cancelled, 3 and this will get cancelled, so 2 into 2, we have only 4 here, plus 6 square, that's 36 upon x square. So this is the expanded form. Come here, our a is 6. Now I will not write a and b, I will just write it on my own. A is 6, so I will write a square, 6 square, plus 2 into a into b, 5 by x plus 5 by x the whole square. So you just mentally think what is your a, what is your b, and accordingly put it in the formula. Okay, 6 square is 36 plus, here it is 5 into 6, 30, 30 into 2, 60 upon x plus 25 upon x square. Let us start the next 3 questions. 5x minus 3y the whole square. Now you can say this is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is the formula? A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is the formula now. Your a here is 5x and b is 3y. Okay, now let us put it in this formula. So first I'll write a square. My a is 5x, so I'll write 5x the whole square. Now I'll write minus 2ab. So minus 2 into a. A is what? 5x into b. B is what? 3y. Plus b square. B is 3y the whole square. Okay. So now I'll just rub this so that there is no confusion. Now do this. 5x whole square. 5 square is 25. X square is x square minus 5 into 2, 10 into 3, 30 xy plus 3 square is 9, y square is y square. So this is the expanded form. Okay, let us do this sum. 3a minus 7b. So now your a is 3a and b is 7b. So now I am going to write a square, that is 3a whole square, minus 2 into a, that's 3a, into b, that's 7b, plus b square, that is 7b the whole square. Now 3a square is 3 square, 9a square is a square minus 7 into 3, 21, 21 into 2 is 42, a into b plus 7 square, that's 49 b square. This is the expanded form. Come to the third sum. I am writing the third sum here. 1 by 2x minus 3 by 2y the whole square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square, where your a is 1 by 2x and b is 3 by 2y. So you are going to write a square, that's 1 by 2x the whole square, minus 2ab, 2 into 1 by 2x into 3 by 2y, plus b square, that's 3 by 2y the whole square. I am rubbing this. Okay, so this is your b square. Now 1 by 2x square would be x square upon 4 minus, here 2 will get cancelled. We are getting only 3 by 2 xy plus 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4 and y square. This is the expanded form. So the next question, question number 5. This is also, you can see it is a minus b whole square. Here your a is a square and b is b by 2. So here I am writing a is a square and b is b by 2. So I am going to write a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So a square, what is your a? A square. So a square, the square, this is your a square minus 2 into a into b, b is b by 2 plus b by 2 the whole square. This is your b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So this will be a to the power 4 minus 2 gets cancelled, a square b, this is only a square b. Okay, so this is only a square b plus b square upon 4, b square upon 4. So this is the final answer. Come here, here your a is 3a upon 2b and your b is 2b upon 3a. So you are going to write a square is your 3a upon 2b the whole square minus 2 into a, this is your a, into b, this is your b, plus take b square. So I wrote a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now do the square of it. 3 square is 9, a square is a square divided by 2 square is 4, b square is b square, minus 3 and 3a, 2b and 2b gets cancelled. So we get only 2 here, plus 2 square is 4, b square is b square, 3 square is 9, a square is a square. So this is our final answer. Let us do the last sum also. I'll do it here. The third sum. The sum is 5x minus 2 upon 3x the whole square. Now let us consider our a and b mentally. Our a is 5x, so I am going to write a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. Okay. So 5 square is 25, x square minus, here x and x will get cancelled, 5 2 is 10 to 20 upon 3 plus 2 square, that is 4, 3x square is 9x square. So this is the expanded form of this question. Okay, so today we have covered a minus b whole square and few sums of a plus b whole square also. In the next video, we are going to cover the sums based on a plus b plus c whole square. And what is the formula for that? A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So in the next video, we are going to cover the sums based on this formula. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.